today's tutorial is going to show you how to use your Zotero references with Microsoft Word. So this will show you how to you put in in-text citations as well as inserting a bibliography into Microsoft Word. So once you download your Zotero desktop, and then you open Microsoft Word, this Zotero tab should automatically be in your Microsoft Word. Okay, so you should see it right at the top here. If for some reason it's not there, you can go to Zotero.com, or I'm sorry, Zotero.org, Zotero.org, click on Documentation, and scroll down until you see Word Processor Integration. If you click on that, you should get all of the information you need to get that Zotero Word plugin. All right, so back in my Microsoft Word document, let's say this is the document I want to put in-text citations in. So I would just place my cursor wherever I want the citation. I'd click on the Zotero tab if it's not already highlighted, and then click Add Edit Citation. The first time you do this, it is going to ask you which citation style you want for your citations. So for today, I'm just going to pick APA. You could pick AMA or Chicago style, whichever citation style you wanted. After I do that, this red box will show up. So if I know the author's last name or the title of my article that I want to cite, I can go ahead and type that in. So for example, if I type in ArcC, this article by ArcC and O'Malley will show up. So if I want that to be cited, I would just click on it and click the Enter key, and that citation automatically goes in there. If I don't know the author's last name or the title of the article, I again would just click on Add Edit Citation. Then I'd click on this Z and click Classic View. So these are my Zotero references. So I can just automatically cite them by clicking on them, and you click OK, and it cites it for you. If I wanted to cite more than one article for this sentence, I can again click on Add Edit Citation, click on the Z, Classic View, and then down at the bottom here you can click Multiple Sources. You can choose the ones that you want and just use these arrows to put them over into what will be cited. Okay, and then you click OK, and you can see all of my citations are cited for me. Once I'm finished putting in in-text citations, I can go ahead and insert my bibliography. So again, in the Zotero tab, you just click Add Edit Bibliography, and it's going to make your bibliography in the citation style that you chose for all of the in-text citations that you have. If I, hit Add Edit Bibliography, and then I think, oh no, I actually need to put in one more in-text citation. That's fine. I can go ahead and do that. So I would just place the cursor where I want the citation, click Add Edit Citation, and choose whatever article that you want. And you click Refresh. And you can see my bibliography automatically refreshed. If you find an error in one of your citations that you need to fix, so for example, I've noticed that this person's last name is spelt wrong. There's supposed to be a Y here instead of an I. You might be tempted to just go ahead and click on it and format it here. I would strongly urge you not to do that, because there is a lot of code behind the scenes here creating this citation. So I really don't want to format format or edit things in the Word document. If you see an error, such as a spelling error or a date error, you want to go into your Zotero desktop, find the article that you need to edit. So here I have my O'Malley. I need to change this to a Y. So I'm changing it. I've clicked on the article. Then over here in the info box, I click on whatever I need to edit, and I just make my edits here. You can see it's changed over here, and then it's changed in my citation right here. And then I'm going to go back into my Word document, and I'm going to click refresh. And you can see the last name now has the Y. And in my bibliography, it also has a Y. So this was a tutorial on using your Zotero references with Microsoft Word. If you have any questions about this, you can always use the Zotero website, or you can go to our website, the library website, hshsl.umaryland.edu, and click on Ask Us.